brought your GoPro.
Always bring a GoPro. You never know, right? You never know when you have to have a Just Jeep It moment.
This isn't as
Hey,
cool.
everybody's doing Just Jeep It video. We got Molly at the Lincoln Financial Fee.
I'll throw the GoPro down the stairs.
Hey, everybody, it's Joe with Just Jeep It. So look what I just found under my 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK. Oil leaks. Let's go see if we can diagnose and find out what the source of this is. Okay folks, we sure do have an oil leak. I checked on that fluid and it's oil. It is not transmission fluid. Do a quick check of the oil pan. Oil pan's dry. It's post oil pan. It's not the rear main seal. You pull those little plugs out. That's the oil. That's the rear main seal. Inspection, that's dry. So it's something topside, and the most likely culprit for your oil leak in your JK Wrangler is going to be something that's kind of buried under the intake manifold. But there's a really quick test you can do to see if that's it. But we got an oil leak, folks. All in the cross members. I hate this. Okay, we're doing this outside real quick. Take the cover off. You'll see the oil filter housing and the cooler is all under the intake manifold. And if you shine a light down there, you most likely won't be able to see it, but I do have a picture that I'm going to give you. You can see a pool of oil right down there. That is the sign of a failed oil filter housing oil cooler. So it's made out of plastic, so they break I guess from the heating and cooling and everything. So boy, this should be a factory recall, but I guess not. So we'll be on the market for a new oil filter housing oil cooler, and stay tuned for part 2 for the install of said part. So thanks for tuning in. Take care of your Jeeps, take care of yourselves. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care.